Got 2019 BMW M2 here. Just doing a clutch on it. It's an M2 competition. Just want to walk you through what's involved in the clutch. I'm going to remove this. It's a pressure plate, and in between the pressure plate and the flywheel you've got the clutch plate. But I'll show you better. Let me just remove it and I'll show you better on the floor. Right, that's the old clutch. That's the clutch plate, this one here. And this is the pressure plate. This is the pressure plate. And this is the new parts that have come. Comes as a complete kit from BMW. Clutch plate, the fork and the bearing, and the new pressure plate. That's it, let's assemble it.